Hey Google, good evening.
Hi,
What's my name?
your name is Mimi of Easton's.
Did you hear me fart?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Make a fart noise.
This is a fart.
Okay Google, change voice.
Here's an example of one of my other voices. Would you like me to use this one?
Yes.
Great. I'll keep using this voice.
What's my name?
Your name is Mimi of Easton's.
Can you be my boyfriend?
This is one of those things we'd both have to agree on. I'd prefer to keep our relationship friendly. Romance makes me incredibly awkward.
Okay, fine. Take me a new selfie photo.
Sure, get ready.
One more selfie photo.
Sure, get ready.
Hey Google, good afternoon.
A good afternoon to you too. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with.
I'm bored.
Alright, which one would you like to try?
Strangest day ever.
Alright, getting strangest day ever.
One day, I was hanging out at home with my dad when he said,
Hey kiddo, can you do me a favor? Can you run?
"Man, sky is getting real cloudy all."
Root beer.
Okay, I got some root beer. I can buy one more thing.
Hey Google, I'm still bored.
I didn't catch that. Can you say that again?
Hey Google,
Hi, how can I help?
I'm still bored.
I'm here to do cool tasks for you. They're kind of like tricks. Let me show you. Do you want me to help you pick something? Or, should I just surprise you?
Surprise me.
Got it. Check this out. I'm really good at math, and I can help you with a number of calculations. Just say something like, what's the square root of 2, or, what's 1 million divided by 3? You can do it yourself if you want a challenge, but I'm always here. And the answer will actually be correct. Try it when you get a chance. What do you say? Would you like to hear another trick?
Yes.
Let's go. Here's a good one. If something's stressing you out, say,
What is 0 divided by 0?
no one knows. It's possible that 0 divided by 0 is some unknown number mathematicians have yet to discover.
I'm still bored. Can you sing a song for me?
Sing a song for the new year. I hope that we all thrive. Kindness, love, and laughter. May that be our guide. I'm here to look after all your search needs. Just say the magic words, and I am here to please. If you want to hear that song again, say sing the New Year's song.
Can you rap?
I can't really rap, but I can rhyme. Here's my ode to search. I love to search, I cannot lie. I'll search it all, I am not shy. Search for pictures, search for pie. I search, at least I try.
Can you beatbox?
I've been waiting for you to ask.
I have an idea. Dance for me.
And I like to play dance music.
Do you know what is COVID-19?
According to CDC, coronavirus is an illness caused by a virus that can spread from person to person. The virus that causes COVID-19 is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world.
Can you get coronavirus?
I can't get coronavirus. I hope you're staying safe. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Cough into your elbow. Don't touch your face. Keep a safe distance from others, and stay home if you can.
Sing the mask song for me.
Absolutely. This song reminds me to wear one when out and about. When in public, wear a mask, just a teeny weeny task. It helps keep us safe and sound, health and care all around. On your mouth and on your nose, good to cover both of those.
Help me wash my hands.
Wash, wash, wash your hands for 40 seconds, please. Soap will chase the germs away so you don't cough and sneeze. Lather up your hands about a half a minute more. Get in between each finger, you can never be too sure. Clean, clean, clean your hands, and if you're getting bored, remember, friend, that in the end, good health is your reward. Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands, you're almost there, hooray! Soap and water lather up at least 5 times a day. Rinse, rinse, rinse your hands, just 5 more seconds now. We're having fun, we're almost done, now let's get you a towel.
Tell me a joke.
What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business.
Haha, that's funny. One more.
What happens when a frog gets a flat tire?
What?
He gets towed.
Haha, that's funny too. One more.
Why didn't the melons get married?
Why?
They cantaloupe.
I didn't get that. Tell me a dad joke.
What's black and white and red all over? A tiger with a sunburn.
Tell me a dirty joke.
Here's a dirty joke for you. Why did the coffee taste like mud? Because it was ground just a couple minutes ago.
Haha, that's funny. Okay, Google. It's your turn to laugh.